Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. To do this, we are going to rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. So, let's first eliminate 8 by subtracting 8. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we subtract a number from one side of the equation, we must subtract the same number from the other side of the equation. After subtracting 8, the left side of the equation is simplified to 7x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. Minus 13 minus 8 is minus 21. We now have a new equation, 7x equals minus 21. Now, to solve the equation, we are going to eliminate 7 in front of x. To do this, let's divide both sides of the equation by 7. After dividing them by 7, the left side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. Minus 21 divided by 7 is minus 3. So, the answer is x equals minus 3.